between goals, securing a 2-0 Spurs win. Reminders all around the stadium of Forest's rich history in cup competitions, European Cups, FA Cups, League Cups. They've lifted the lot. Sturridge putting Sanchez under pressure, hoping to reach the fourth round for the first time since 20. Now Yates has a crack from there. Lodi to deliver. And it's straight to Longley with the angled one. Away by Lodi. Doherty. Perisic swings it in towards Dyer. The end result on that hits the base of the post, comes back out, and Lingard is denied by Forster. Out it comes to O'Brien. Lodi, good delivery, glanced away, and it's put behind by Sessegnon. Benton again. Playing for his hometown pitch. Lodi couldn't find a way past. Sanchez has ballooned that. Buys himself a bit of room, and then it's still. Worrell back to Wayne Hennessy. Yates. Over it goes, not a bad ball. Cleared by, but Lingard has pinched it back. Possibility here. And that could be an important touch from Eric Dyer. Yep. One of the studs has come out on his boot. Worrell was going for it, it'll come back his way. Forster blocks it. Instinctive from case with Lewis O'Brien. Corner. Beautiful delivery, punched out by Hennessy. Measured through ball towards Højbjerg. Aurier possibly hit Harry. Swung in by Perisic right over Hennessy again. And now he's going to try and chase down Mangala. Not picked up. And looking for Højbjerg, and glanced behind by Aurier. Perisic takes, glanced on by Dyer, and over it goes from Dyer. Perisic, this is Kane. But it's nipped. There's Harry Kane at the far post, and it's just taken out of his direction. There's Doherty, who hit it so crisply. And that's put over the top by Sanchez. Skip, all of it messy, and this could break for Lewis O'Brien, but the whistle goes for a foul on Basuma. Perisic let it go. And the target, away by Longley. Deflected. And it comes from Lodi. There. Hooked to serious that might be. Bolly's come across as well. Out it comes. Doherty. Spurs work it left to right. Sanchez over the top of Davinson Sanchez. Yeah. He's Sturridge waiting for it to drop. Højbjerg deal down the other end. Eric Dyer had an opportunity ahead. Here's Lingard, lovely first touch. Lingard stings the palms of Forster. And that's a push. It swings it over for Sturridge. Yates in the middle, out. Lodi steps inside. A wonderful goal from Renan Lodi. Nottingham Forest strike first early in the...